Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video, I would like to show you what is inside ICONZ 2 library. One important thing in the beginning, what I wanted to mention is that this library is growing. It's constantly growing and we are working on that. It means that maybe this number like 223 will change. It can be more in the future, but definitely I will reflect all of the changes on icons.design. So if you want to go to more up-to-date information, go to ICONZ.design and you will see all the images and all the icons there. But the logic will be the same. We want to have PNG files, we want to have source files, we want to have tutorials. So all the important information are on the web page. The another important thing is that we have right now 223 3D icons and they are in 5 categories. So there is a basic one. This is the basic. You can change the colors. You have multiple materials inside the pack. So you can go to Blender, you can change the colors, you can change the material. So it doesn't have to be gold, it can be silver or any other. It can be toon, so many other things. The other thing is that we have the Christmas category. As you can see, this can be super handy during the Christmas time, but also outside the Christmas time because we have some gifts here, or maybe we have some snowmen here or some trees. So you can delete this part and you can use only the tree, or you can put the head on top of the tree and so on. So you can play with that. The next category is the food category. So as you can see, this is pretty playful one because there is like beer, banana, cookies, ice cream and so on. You can again change the colors. You can make them as you want because the source files are included. Another pack is medic category and we plan to work more on this in the future. Another one is called like others because they are business icons, they are money icons, and all of them are just big category of others. As you can see here, we have the plane, boat, zeppelin, microphone, or maybe some telephone with some other icons. So you can combine them together. You can put, for example, something inside the shopping cart and you can imitate that you are buying something or selling something. Okay, so this was the preview. I want to show you because what we have inside are the PNG files. Every icon is rendered in 5 different angles. As you can see, for example, airplane. So here is one angle, second, and so on. If you want to have bigger icons, you can go to Blender and you can just render whatever resolution you want to have. This is full HD. Let's take a look on the bin, for example. Right, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so as I mentioned, every icon is rendered in 5 different angles. For basic category, we have every icon rendered in 6 different materials and also in 5 different angles. So let's take a look on the black and gold, for example, and in a bin here. Here is a different bin. Here is kind of minimalistic style. Let's take a look on the camera, for example. And we can say, for example, steel here. And let's take a look on the bin. So as you can see, it's different type of material and also different color. But feel free to go and to use materials from basic to, for example, to others categories. So it doesn't matter, you can change them, you can play with them, and you can do whatever you want to. You can squeeze the library. More things about the icons and how to use them, how to squeeze the library I showed in the tutorials. Then we have license, and license is like the basic one. We have all the same license for every our 3D program. It's basically giving you the opportunity to use the icons royalty free. It means that you can use it for multiple clients, but you can't go and resell our Blender files or maybe PNG files onto some Blender market on whatever marketplace. Let's take a look on how the source files look like. So this is the source files. As you can see, we have all the 200 icons inside here. If you want to see how it looks like for one icon, we also released free sample. It means that you can download free sample. You will see 5 icons. One icon is in 5 angles, and also you can see the source files. So you will see that you can have like simply 5 different angles of camera, and here inside For example, let's take a look on the plane. Here I have the plane, right? Or alarm. I can make it bigger, and you can play with that. You can change the lights and so on and so on. So all 200 plus icons are inside with different lights. As you can see, also it has 5 different categories for now. As I mentioned, it can grow in the future. The last thing what I wanted to mention is that the icons work really nicely with our different 3D libraries. For example, characters, illustrations, or animals, or any other library, because it's so easy to connect them. You just need to copy and paste to the Blender file, and you can combine them, and you can have fun and create a scene. If you want to learn more about our other libraries, definitely go to 3D.design. If you want to learn more about this library, go to ICONZ.design. If you have any question, reach out to me at samuel@3D.design. That's it. Stay creative. Have a nice day, and bye.